All right, so it's about an hour and a half before sunset, and I'm just here in the agricultural fields. I'm gonna walk all along this road here by the canal, and then hopefully we can find some burrowing owls. The owls love to be right by the canals because there's the dirt embankments with a lot of where animals make a lot of burrows, and also the fields are full of rodents and also insects for them to eat. Yeah, so I'm just gonna walk down here and hopefully we'll get some good shots. I'll set up the GoPro and we'll get going. Check out all these ants right here. And also this power line is making the weirdest sound. Actually, I'm gonna try to record it for you guys. Let's just set this down. It's a really weird noise that it's making. I'm not sure what it is. Okay, I hope you guys can hear this. I forgot to put the wind cover on. Cool. I hope that came out well. Let's put this away and we'll get back to looking for owls. No, I don't see any yet. Oh, check out this mud though. It's really cool. You see this all over in the valley. This cracked mud. It looks great. Oh, I see a really cool dragonfly right there. It's a bit bright. Hold on. Wonder if I can get it on video. Oh, a bee just landed on my camera. Look at that. Ooh, let's get out of here. Oh, there's one right there. Oh man, Oh no, I was not paying attention. Oh, my bad. Let's see if we can get some pictures of it though. I'll try not to scare it anymore. Oh man, that's so cool. Hold on, I'm gonna try to get a video again. Let's see. Yeah, that's so cool. I want to get one in flight, but it's kind of hard because they like to just sit there and look around. Wow, there's just such cool looking birds. They have really bright, almost like neon yellow eyes. Oh, is that another one over there? Oh, look at that. Oh yeah, he just landed over there. I think this is about as close as I'm gonna get. Alright, I think we'll leave that guy alone. We've been getting a little too close to him. I don't want to bother him too much. I'm gonna walk down that way a little bit more and then I think we can call it a day.